Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about object-oriented programming languages, part of programming in C++ course. Object-oriented programming is a programming paradigm that is based on the concept of objects. Some of the most popular OOP languages include Java. Java is a widely used general-purpose programming language that is particularly well suited for web development and mobile app development. C++ is a general purpose programming language that is widely used for developing high performance applications such as video games and system software. Python is a high level interpreted programming language that is widely used for web development, scientific computing, and data analysis. Ruby is a high-level interpreted programming language that is widely used for web development and for building software applications. C# is a general-purpose programming language that is widely used for developing Windows, desktop, and mobile applications. Swift is a general-purpose programming language that is widely used for developing iOS and Mac OS applications. PHP is a server-side scripting language that is used for web development and for building dynamic websites. All of these programming languages support object-oriented programming concepts such as inheritance, encapsulation, abstraction, and polymorphism. The specific features and syntax of each language may vary, but they all provide a way to model real-world objects and their interactions. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.